Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkur Ali. If you don't have a social security number but still want to use Cash App, you're not alone. In this video, we'll show you 2 smart methods to use Cash App without ever needing to verify with your SSN. These are real working tricks that most people don't know about. There are many videos available on YouTube about how to verify a Cash App account without a social security number, but none of them show a real method. What's the reason behind this? What's the truth? And how can you actually verify your account? Let's talk about all this further in the video. With the help of these 2 screenshots, we'll explain both methods to you step by step. But before that, you should know that to verify a Cash App account without a social security number, you need to open a business account. In a Cash App business account, instead of a social security number, you need to upload all the documents related to your company. That's why there's no need for an SSN there. If you use regular individual Cash App account, it's necessary to verify the account, and for that, a social security number is required. Adding your SSN to Cash App is also beneficial for you, as it protects you from becoming a victim of any fraudulent activity. Among these 2 methods, the first method is that if you want to use Cash App without a social security number, you need to keep filling in all the required information while creating your Cash App account. When you're asked to enter SSN, as shown in this photo, you simply need to skip it and continue using your Cash App account. Your account will work, but it will have some limitations. The second method is to use a sponsored Cash App account through a verified Cash App account of a family member. This option is available under the Family section on Cash App, as shown in this image. After clicking on the Family option, you can create your account. You don't need to verify it, and you'll be able to use it completely.